This is the NearStream multicam wireless 2K live streaming camera, the VM33. If you are on the hunt for a high quality wireless live streaming camera, you are in the right place. Today we are checking out this device, so let's dive right in with an unboxing and I will walk you through the key features. Let's go. There we go, an orange box to start off. Inside we have got a few things. A quick setup guide for the app. We will take a look at that in just a bit. A user manual with all the details you will need to get started, a warranty card for peace of mind, and of course a USB-C to USB-C cable for power, plus it can become USB-C to USB-A adapter if you want to connect it to your PC or laptop. And then we get the main star of the show, the camera itself. Now when you first pick this up, it kind of feels like an action camera. Small but compact, and it fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. But this is so much more than that. It's actually a live streaming device with a powerful punch, packed into a super portable form factor. Let me show you the details. On the top we have got a directional mic, which is great for picking up clear audio. In front there's the camera lens and a status indicator LED, so you can easily see if the camera is powered on and connected. Plus there are some more battery life indicator LEDs, which is super handy. It shows you the battery, and the battery is very good. And you will find a 3.5mm headphone jack and mic jack for any extra audio gear you might need. There's a reset button just in case you need to reboot the camera. Of course, we have got USB-C for both power delivery and audio, plus a micro SD card slot for storing your recording, and you can storage your data into your device such as your phone or tablet, which you connect this camera. And in the end, there is a power off button. On the bottom there is a single 1/4 inch mount, so you can easily attach it to a tripod or other mount. It has a nice rubber padding on the bottom, so you need to buy the tripod by yourself because the camera doesn't offer you tripod itself. Overall, the thing is packed with features, but it's incredible, lightweight and easy to take on the go. Perfect for live streaming from anywhere. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. The first is wireless multiple streaming. So you can easily connect multi-cameras for a full streaming live stream experience. But unfortunately, I only have the one camera. As you can see in the mobile device, I have connected this camera already. So if you have 2 or 3, maximum if you have 2 cameras, so 2 cameras will give you different angles, and the one camera can give you 2 angles as well. The first, it can give you zoom in, and the second will give you ultra wide. And the second feature is it has 40x hybrid zoom. That's 10x optical zoom and 4x digital zoom. Whether you are filming up close or from a distance, you will get super crisp images even from 100 feet away. The third is built-in microphones. It comes with 8 built-in microphones arrays, so you can get clear audio, not too much clear, but it will be good. And it has AI noise cancellation. It comes with 6400 mAh battery, can last up to 8 hours on a single charge, which is great for those long streaming sessions. You just take the camera and just start recording and you just forget to stop your live streaming. I have connected NearStream VM33 with my smartphone, and I wanted to show you the camera input quality. When we go into the settings, there are different options. You can change the settings according to your requirement. So in camera input quality, there are different qualities such as 360p, 480p, 720p, 1080p, and in 1080p high you will have audio 120 kbps stereo and video 5120 kbps. Before starting the recording, it will ask you where the file going to be saved. So there are two options: memory card. If you have insert the memory card in the camera, then you pick the memory card, but I haven't, so I'm going to save the video inside my phone. So I'm going to start the recording now. Alright guys, now you are watching this video directly from NearStream VM33, and I haven't attached any external microphone. The audio is really good. I have already checked, and you can film like this. You can go to live streaming, or you can record any product. This is the result you will get. Really good. So you can zoom in as well. Let me show you. You just need to go to the image adjustment and you can zoom in like this. The quality is really clear, very nice, but it takes few seconds to zoom in, about 3 seconds. How's it? Good? So whether you are live streaming a big event or just upgrading your streaming setup, the NearStream VM33 is definitely worth considering. With its 40x hybrid zoom, amazing audio features, and solid battery life, this camera has everything you need to step up your streaming game. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in learning more about the NearStream VM33, I will leave the link in the description below for you to check out. Alright guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Catch you in the next one. Bye.